Do you want to remove unwanted stickers from your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro, but you don't know how to do it? So if you've created custom iPhone stickers, but you now want to remove them from your Messages app, then follow my steps. We're going to open the Messages app on our iPhone 16, and then you'll want to open any conversation which you've had. It doesn't matter which one it is. So we'll need access to our keyboard in order to get rid of the custom stickers. What you'll want to do is to tap on this plus icon, which is located at the left side, and that will show us a couple of options. Select the Stickers option, and then make sure that this second icon is selected. That will show us a menu with all of our custom stickers which we had created, and in order to delete a sticker, I'm going to long press on that sticker until these options appear over my screen. Simply tap on the Delete option and that's it. Your custom sticker will be completely removed, or deleted from the iPhone 16 or 16 Pro device. If this video was helpful to you, then leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next video.